Say thank you, Uncle Craig, for Winnie the Pooh. Uh-oh, where's Pooh going? Here's the Pooh Bear. Yeah. Really? Uh-oh, Pooh Bear went bye-bye again. There he is. Yeah. Say thank you, Uncle Craig. Pooh Bear's awesome. Say hi, Fluff. What's Fluff doing, huh? And there comes Ellie Belly. You don't care about the kitties, do ya? Not one bit. Say thank you. I love you. You're the best uncle ever. Yeah. Best uncle ever. Bye-bye.